Okay, upod naton ang isa ka international fashion designer, hindi lang local, national, but international, si Mr. Jet Salcedo, para hatagan kita sang guide or tips for 2025 fashion trend. Sir, good morning. Welcome sa RMN Sunday Special. We would like to know kung ano ang color of the year for 2025.
Good morning, Miss Marge, and good morning to all the viewers. The color of the year for 2025 is Mocha Mousse. And Mocha Mousse is a shade of brown, very subtle shade of brown, and it speaks so much about the trend that will be happening in the next year because Mocha Mousse is the very basic color usually nga hilig sang mga fashionistas when it comes to basic everyday wear or sometimes in even mga formal occasions they tend to gravitate towards that color since it's it suits almost all body types, all skin tones, and it's very fashionable, especially when you want to highlight some of the parts of your outfit.
So hindi mabudlayan ang aton nga mga kauturan sa pagpili sang color and design, pero paano naton ini i-match sa aton nga nga pantalon or skirt, Sir Jet?
Like what I said, kung may mga trend, you just pick a certain part of your outfit to match the color of the year. If you really wanted or to follow the color of the year, you just choose since nga bagay man siya sa tanan nga i-pair, but for me inang it best paired with either white or black. Kay nang hilig subong sang mga tao nga then very clean lang gid nga look. Very minimalist lang gid. And since nga very bold ang mga fashion accessories subong, it's a very good blank canvas to work with.
So ang imo nga fashion is nakadepende sa accessories and makeup.
Yes.
Sa ato naman nga shoes and sa aton nga mga makeup, mga accessories, paano? Ano ang pwede dire?
Statement accessories are doing a big comeback this year since nga we're going back to minimalism. Ang mga statement accessories very uso subong, like really big and eye-catching accessories. So ay makita nyo sa mga artists, they're like wearing baggy clothes and everything, pero ang accessories nila are piled up or something like that. So it's really doing a good comeback. And since we're going back to minimalism, so minimalism is always goes with the comfort. So sa mga shoes naman niya, very uso gid ang sneakers subong, and because almost everybody loves to travel, that's why nga mahilig kita sa mga sneakers because first of all it's very comfortable and there's a lot of variety of really fashionable sneakers to choose from in the market right now.
Ang sa mga pantalon and skirt, bala sir, ano ni siyang uso subong ang fitting, ang mga knitted na mga pantalon, or I mean ang tattered jeans, or ang medyo pareho sa una nga doon nagabuka sa bala sa punta?
Deconstructed nga mga stuff subong do medyo hindi siya uso kay since we're going back to minimalism, ang do medyo rugged na siya, ang do mga tattered nga pants, so wala na siya sa uso subong. But since denim doesn't go out of style, ang mga maong is still uso, especially when it's paired with the color of the year. It's really great to be paired with denim, and denim is always a classic, so we would always work around it. And ang advice ko lang sa mga pants and skirt, like what I always say, is always choose something that you're comfortable with. Kaya ginahambal ko sa ilang hindi man necessarily nga maupod ka gid sa uso, because kung hindi ka komportable, then you won't be comfortable going around nga amo na.
Kado hindi man nami sir nga malakat kagin sunod mo ang trend tapos hindi ka komportable sa bayo mo, dugay-dugay ka lang na matak, nag-arrange mo nga.
So comfort is the number one style.
Sa crop top again ganin sir, paano ni siya? Pwede pa siya, sulod pa siya sa 2025 or lain na siya.
Yes, still crop top is still in style, especially for those people nga bagay sa ila daw mo na bala. Syempre may mga tao man nga balagayan sina may ara man hindi, but I don't think it would go out of style any moment because nami gid siya always tanawon, especially with people with the flat bellies. Yeah.
How about ang crop top ni Carlos Yulo?
Carlos Yulo, in fairness, bagay man to sa iya because in the first place he really has good physique. That's why I really don't get other people where they're laughing at it. In the first place, at least Carlos Yulo has guts to wear it, and in fairness, bagay man sa iya daw muna. That's why amo na ginambal ko bala, if you feel happy and comfortable with what you're wearing, then go for it. If it makes you happy, then go for it.
Kato kita sa makeup, medyo nude ang nauso subong nga tuig. How about for 2025?
For 2025, very in mangyapon ang no makeup look. But what I noticed is there's a very trendy subong nga mga ano is when it comes to bold lips. Since nga there's a variety of lip products around the world right now and in the market. So damo-damo sila choices, and you could always do statement bold lips, especially kung ano ang gusto mo nga colors, because ang color is very ano siya bala, kumbaga kung gusto mo siya ibagay sa color of the year, which is Mocha Mousse, you could always go for a deep red or maski bright orange pa, because since ang imo bayo is minimalist, so you could always go for a bold makeup.
How about ang sa mga eyelash naton and inang uso subong ang winged eye na sa set?
Yeah. Since nga we're going for a no makeup look, that's why a lot of stores and aesthetic services are going for really bold nga mga eyelashes, because very uso gid siya subong kay kumbaga do statement siya, and you just put a wing tip and you're ready to go. And the eyebrows are very minimal also. As last time very uso ang feather brows, which are very statement nga do sa eyebrows, pero subong do we're going back to the natural eyebrows again, since ang eyelashes and the lips are the ones popping out.
Again, ang sa bag naman, Sir Jet, tote bag, dalagkuan nga bag for 2024. Ano naman for 2025?
Making a comeback again in 2025 when it comes to bags are the micro nga mga bag nga mga super gagmay where you could only fit just a lipstick and your credit card. I call them party bags actually. That's why nga ginaano ko gid ginaano ko gid nga kung magpili sila sang bag is something that is very handy, because amo nang ginatawag ko permi bala nga hands-free ang bag dapat, because especially subong do we can't let go of our cell phones aton kamot, so dapat the rest of what we are holding is hands-free na. That's why uso subong daw mga body bags, ang daw mga nagakabit-kabit lang sa lawas mo muna.
Ang sa fashion naman, we do understand damo subong sang mga designers clothes kag iban pagid, Sir Jet, kag grabe ang fashion subong nga makita naton sa social media, ginabaligya online nga daw ka easy access na lang. Anong masay mo diri sa mga mahilig mamakal sa mga relief kag ikaw, I know, fan ka gid sa relief?
I am a big fan of relief, especially is if my mind is clouded of all the stuff going on in my shop. I always make it a point to go somewhere nga mang relief, because kumbaga do retail therapy ko siya, and at the same time because first of all, that's where I could find really complicated pieces, especially mga high-end brands. And sometimes since I'm a designer, kumbaga it's still a learning point for me to see how they make these clothes. So what we usually do, if I find something nga interesting ang cut, ginatastas namon, tapos ginatanaw namon how it's done. So kumbaga do learning man sa amon. And at the same time, since nga I can't find a size that fits for me sa mga malls, I always go to the Relip kay that's where I could find really exaggerated sizes and kumbaga mga extra large ng mga sizes because I'm fan of oversized clothes. Tapos at the same time, syempre ang price point is really different kay barato gid and at the same time very fashionable pieces kag wala pa kapareho, so you won't be embarrassed to go somewhere and think nga basi may kapareho ka.
Oo. Nakaagi ka Sir Jet nga naglakat ka sa mall nga may turno ikaw nga bayo nagsugataay ka mo.
Don't fortunately do never pa man natabo sa akon because even if I buy pieces from the mall, usually may gina-add gid ko na nga something or gina-tweak ko ang bayo just to make it different.
Okay, kasi mahuya ka man nga terno ka mo.
Perks of being a designer, kumbaga ginaretoke mo gamay.
Sir, ang before sa iban pa ginaton diri nga mga palamangkutanon, ano ang ma-advise mo sa mga mahilig magsunod gid sa fashion? May mga makit-an kita sa dalan nga because amo ning color of the year, amo ning patok subong, bisan wala nagasanto ginasuksok nila and hasta sa makeup.
Yeah, it has always been an advice of mine for everybody who asks about fashion that comfort is always in style. Kumbaga, maski ano pa da kauso, maski ano pa da ka-trendy sa mga bayo, if hindi ka ngayon, then don't go for it. I always make it a point to tell them that every time you put an outfit on, always look yourself up in the mirror and ask if okay sa imo, bagay sa imo, or komportable ka. Because at the end of the day, it's you who is wearing the outfit. Kumbaga, it's not for other people to say kung comfortable ka man or what, because it's always yourself who knows how comfortable you are with the outfit you're wearing. And if it makes you happy, that's the most important thing.
So, hindi lang naton pagpiliton, kudo hindi gid-angan.
Yes, hindi gid. Oo.
Sir Jet, lastly, ano ang imong panugyan sa tanan nga nagapamati and paano ikaw nila makontak kung may mga kinahanglan sila like sa fashion, rentals, and everything?
First of all, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. And my shop is in Ana Ross Village in Mandurriao, and I accept walk-ins. You just PM me on my Facebook, Jet Salcedo. And I also have rentals for all occasions, costumes, evening wear, streetwear, everything that's related to fashion. I do have rentals in my shop. So you just message me in case you have an event and you want me to style. Kumbaga, if you rent sa akon, I will style you for free. Yeah.
Okay. By the way, Sir Jet, sa imo nga dugang na lang naton diri sa mga kauturan naton. For example, may gusto gid abi ang isa ka client, like sa mga designs nimo. May gusto siya dira, pero hindi siya hindi siya mag-fit or like hindi angayan ginaprangka mo man or like ginapaiguan naton kay may iban nga for the sake lang bala nga maano nilang ilang mga designs ginasugtan nila.
Yes, usually may ara ko mga clients nga nagakaladto diri and they send me or they bring with them mga pictures ng mga celebrities who are in the red carpet. Syempre, as a designer, I always make it a point to make my client happy. So I always go as frank as I am and honestly as I can. So because para man na sa ila, kumbaga ginaprank ka nga okay nang ma'am, kumbaga hindi man niya ang lawas mo pareha kay Angelina Jolie. So hindi na bagay sa imo ang bayo. Kumbaga we could do a similar outfit but we have to tweak the design according to your body size. Muna.
So okay
ginaprank ka, okay man sa ila. And at the end of the day, it's always a happy customer. Dapat.
So, ginaprank ka mo sila nga kung suksukon man ni hindi niya do expectation versus reality nga hindi ini magbagay sa imo.
Yes, because everybody around the world has a different body form and body type. So dapat kung ano gid ang bagay sa imo. Kumbaga it's the job of the designer to dress you up accordingly to what your body is. So kumbaga isa na sa mga ginabayran mo sa ila as a designer to to make you look good in the size that you're in.